Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system, Mars. Overview of Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the red planet, due to its reddish appearance in the night sky. It's a rocky planet with a thin atmosphere, with an average temperature of -63 degrees Celsius, -81 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars is a lot colder than Earth, and its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. Exploration of Mars. Humans have been fascinated by Mars for centuries, and many missions have been sent to explore the planet. The first successful mission was the Mariner 4 in 1965, which sent back the first close-up pictures of the planet. Since then, there have been numerous missions, including rovers and landers, sent by NASA, ESA, and other space agencies. The most famous mission is the Mars rover Curiosity, which has been exploring the planet since 2012. Evidence of water on Mars. One of the most exciting discoveries on Mars is the evidence of water. In 2015, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter discovered evidence of liquid water on the planet's surface. This discovery suggests that Mars might have had conditions that could have supported life in the past. There are also signs of ancient riverbeds and lakes on the planet's surface, which suggest that Mars might have had a warmer, wetter climate in the past. Colonization of Mars. With the evidence of water and the potential for life on Mars, there is increasing interest in colonizing the planet. Several organizations, including SpaceX, NASA, and Mars One, have announced plans to send humans to Mars in the coming decades. However, Mars is a harsh environment, and there are many challenges that need to be overcome before humans can establish a permanent presence on the planet. Mars moons. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Both moons are irregularly shaped and heavily cratered. Phobos is the larger of the two moons and orbits Mars at a distance of just 9,378 kilometers, 5,822 miles. It takes only 7 hours and 39 minutes for Phobos to complete one orbit around Mars, which is faster than the planet rotates on its axis. Deimos is the smaller moon and orbits Mars at a distance of 23,460 kilometers, 14,577 miles. Mars atmosphere. Mars atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, with a pressure only 1% of that at the Earth's surface. The atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with small amounts of nitrogen and argon. The thin atmosphere means that Mars has very little protection from solar and cosmic radiation, making it a harsh environment for life. Martian dust storms. Mars is known for its dust storms, which can cover the entire planet and last for months. These dust storms are caused by the planet's thin atmosphere and the intense temperature differences between the equator and the poles. Martian dust storms can be dangerous for human exploration, as the dust can damage equipment and harm astronauts. In conclusion, Mars is a fascinating planet with a lot of potential for scientific discovery and exploration. With the increasing interest in space exploration and colonization, it's likely that Mars will continue to be a major focus of space exploration in the coming decades. We hope you enjoyed learning about Mars with us today. Thank you for watching.